and the three boys on stage. Alam naman nating lahat na ngayon, uso ang mga bashers and critics. So as newcomers, as celebrities, paano niyo paghahandaan o haharapin ang mga bashers sa mga bashing nila and criticisms? Let's start with Martina.
Hello po, good afternoon. Thank you for that question. I think in this online world today, it's very rampant yung mga bashers online. But I think personally, bashing shouldn't always be taken to heart. I think especially if what they're saying is something that's constructive and they're constructively criticizing you, I think you should always keep an ear open in terms of that, but also at the same time, to not let it get to your heart and to your mind and be disheartened with the craft that you're doing. Yun po. I think that's for me.
In addition lang po sa sinabi ni Ate Martina, ngayon po kasi as artist po, hindi po natin may iwasan yung mga bash. It comes from the job po kasi. And I'm going to do like po is, I won't let negativity po affect my passion sa acting po at sa pagkatrabaho po namin.
For me naman po, alam ko po, sinabi po nila na it's part of the industry naman po talaga. Hindi po talaga natin siya maiiwasan. Pero for me personally, I take po what's helpful for me. So para ma-apply ko siya, para ma-improve yung sarili ko. And then I ignore the rest po, na alam ko naman na negative siya.
Same as the trip po, same lang po na depende naman po yun sa critics if it will help me or not. Pero lahat naman po ng sasabihin nila, I will take it as helpful words and para mas maging confident din po ako sa stage or performing or something. Thank you po.
And the three boys on stage.
So for me naman po, i-take ko siya as self-improvement. And we can learn from our mistakes po, and hindi ko po siya iti-take as a negative. So, dun po sa opportunity na binibigyan nila, binibigyan po nila ako ng time to bash. So, thank you na lang din po doon somehow. And yun nga po, self-improvement and para mas matuto pa po ako as a person.
Para sa akin naman po, dun pa lang sa pagbabash. Ay, sorry. Sa pagbabash, di naman talaga maiwasan yan. Kasi, it's kind of a good thing because doon pa lang nakikita mo lang napapansin ka na ng mga tao. And you're going to use that. Ako, para sa akin, gagamitin ko yun as a motivation for myself. To keep myself going up. Tsaka, pakita sa kanila na may kaya akong gawin. Diba?
For me naman po, when it comes to bashers or negative critics, I like to apply a kind of like a surfer mentality. In surfing kasi when you ride the wave, you fall down, you get wiped out, but you always get back on your board and paddle to get the next wave. So when it comes to this industry, I know that we're going to fall, we're going to experience a lot of mistakes, a lot of bashers, it's part of the job. But I feel that we must not let it affect us. We must learn from it, use it as our fuel to bounce back and paddle and get the next wave. Thank you.
Are you a surfer? Are you a surfer?
Yes po.
It shows. Thank you, boys and girls, and congratulations, Star Work.